guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely and easy recipes that you are going to love. So just come along with me and let's have fun. Okay, today what we are doing is naan bread. Okay, naan bread without yeast. Okay, I'm not using yeast today, so just come along with me. It's very easy. So I have some flour here. I'm using my mixer today because I want it very quickly done. Okay, but if you don't have a mixer, you can still use just hand mixing. It's not really difficult. Okay, so I have some flour here, and the next thing I'm going to add, I'm adding the dry ingredients. So I have some salt, I have some sugar, okay, some baking powder, and then bicarbonate of soda. So I have these. I'm going to put that into my flour. All right, so what I am going to do is to mix it gently. So guys, to add the wet ingredients, I have some yogurt. Okay, this is natural yogurt, and the yogurt makes it have a very nice texture and fluffy. So I'm going to add that to that. Okay, and I have some olive oil. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, while it's mixing nicely, I'll add the water. Okay, so I'll add just a bit of water, and then just put it at a lower rate to mix it slowly. Guys, so this has been mixing for about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, and I like the texture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it, just allow it to rest. Look at that. So guys, this is our dough. Okay, it's nicely done. I'll put that into my bowl, and I'm going to cover it to rest for about 30 to an hour. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I've rolled out all my bread. Okay, not all of them actually, but some of them at the back, you have those around them. So this is what I did, as I've shown you already how to do. It's very easy to do, and then you just roll it out. So I have done a bit of rolling out. I'm going to just cook my naan bread. What you can do is you can just bake them, or you can just use your frying pan, and that's what I use, my frying pan. So let's cook it. So guys, what I've done here, I did put a little bit of water to just make it quite a little bit moist. So I've put my flatbread into it, and what I'm waiting, when you see the bubbles on top of it, then we turn it. It's very easy to do. Okay, it's quite similar to just cooking pancake. Right guys, so while our naan bread is cooking, okay, I just wanted to show you how I do my topping. All right, so you can either eat it plain, or you can either eat it with a curry, or if you have a nice lovely stew, you can have it with it. It's really lovely. You can eat it with anything really. So I have some butter here, okay, and I'm going to add, this is onion powder, this is crushed garlic, and then we have some chopped parsley. Let's mix it nicely. So guys, this is our naan bread. It is absolutely delicious. Okay, you have to try this recipe. There's no yeast in it, and it's very easy to do. As you know that I love easy recipes. So as you can see, I've just buttered it with some parsley, as I showed you what I did, and some garlic, so it smells amazing. You see, you can just roll it, okay, like that. It's really delicious, and it's very easy to do. Look at that, look at the bread, look at this. It tastes amazing. All right, so if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.